Yo, this tastes nice and frig. Like it clicking on my head a while ago. Damn. So I remember me did I telling about so the car do the whole smoking thing, right? I think I have found the problem. I got dry up the leak. What I think I find. I soon show you the leak. The place where I think I leak. And I got dry it up now. Wrap the cloth around it, the like a sitting here, and then sap up that. Take it for a drive and then see if another puddle appeared there. So it look like say the coolant now as much of it now getting our engine like it's supposed to. You know if I can see like a little hey. Alright, you see that little puddle there? Right there's all. There's something the leak there. Cause no coolant not supposed to drip out. So there's something the leak there's somewhere under there, so I'm gonna sap up that and then see if the puddle reappear. If you look on the say kinda see it there. But you're not done it and I hold it more today. So I've got to get like a bigger piece of cloth to like sap it up. I don't want to rejoice too much because I remember I said the other night I did drive out with the coolant cap never on. And then I come back home like it did under there did a spray up with coolant, so that could have just be from that, but then that have from like last week Friday. So I'm thinking that would have probably dry up already if I did from that. I'm gonna drive the car since. So if coolant did a drip, it would have probably dripped this. I'm gonna dry it up though and see what. See? I dry up. I'm gonna see what is what now. If I check back on that eye problem, then great. Can fix it. It has stressed me out. What is even more astonishing also though is the fact that my white shirt is still clean after doing all that leaning and touching all the grease and all that. I'm still clean. Kevin too crazy. Mechanic too crazy, isn't he? Cleanness. Yeah, you know, say when I left out of yards, the initial move was for one, get out of the friggin' house. And my destination was to go play some basketball, if not even play like a game, just shoot around. But who tell me something if I got stop? But me I got supermarket and all them other shit there. The reason I stop was to actually run the errand when I started run from a longer time when I carried the foolishness. And then I end up a supermarket and all type of sitting. And it feel like it's too late now for go reach the place where I see basketball play. So I'm just park up on the beach side and look out. I think I come over here so one time already, but it did. The waters wasn't, or the area wasn't smelling so good, so I just kind of chill up on the beach side. I don't know where I go on with the water if it was safe. But people in it now, so I'm guessing it's alright. But I mean, I just build just a little bit. I think the next move of just buy some food and then yeah, that's it. Buy food, go home. I'm gonna check the engine yet. I'm gonna reach back home before sunlight gone, so I can check that. Anytime when I see man switch their head positions, I know where I go on, eh? And I know what happen, man. Woman, man. Now, there's something I always think about, like why them now always have the price on the shelves whenever you go like certain places like, you know, supermarkets, and we finally get the answer. And I'll be like, yo, why me never think say you know, them reasons there. Well, as somebody else asked me over here still, and the man I say is because price go up and down, you see me, especially now. So whenever price stable, that's when you get to see like the price on the shelf. But when price like fluctuate and constantly go up and them thing there, Like, it don't really make no sense to have it there. Every day I have to go probably change it. So if you always want to know why, sometimes you go to places and you see the price on the shelf, like how you see it for like other items, you have the answer now. You're welcome, and I learned something new. I hope you learned something new too. A while ago, I freak out zine, because I can't find the house key. So I put on the things them, and then my there, so my head raise up. When my head raise up, what I see in the door, I left the house key in the door, gone boom. A joke. So I'm just gonna check the leakage, or the suspected leakage, and there's nothing there. It is as dry as how I left it. So I don't know, man. I friggin' know, bro. So if I know this all leak, then some of that shit are gone. So I'm gonna make the buttermilk. If you know the buttermilk, you can make it. Them say it's 1 cup of milk, right? So there's some milk from a longer time. So that not come up to 1 cup yet. Hold on, let me cut this on forward. Yeah, so maybe get this up to 1 cup, you know. Right? Boom. About 1 cup that. Goof. Them say 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So my lemon juice there. So I'm gonna pour out 1 tablespoon. I pour out that and forward. Now them say 1 zine, but one time I did do this before and I end up use 2. So maybe 1 or 2. I feel like a 2 I gonna use again. Pour that in there, you understand? And 1 in there so far. Wait, do now you go and stir it and then you leave it for a little bit. Yeah, you're gonna feel like it start get thick. And I think 1 work. If you don't have no lemon juice, I think you should be able to use vinegar. That should be a homemade buttermilk, and then I go season it. So I have salt and pepper, maybe like a seasoned salt, and that's it. Nothing too crazy. Drop my chicken in there, and tomorrow, no, I go beat my meat first. I have to always beat the meat, you know. See it? Yeah, when I say beat my meat, I talk about the mallet. So what we're going to do right now is beat our meat. Always, remember, beat your meat. Beat your meat. Say it with me. Beat your meat. Beat your meat. Not gonna beat it too much. We just want to tenderize, but we know it is looking buttermilky. Go in with little bit of salt. Boom. That is it. Salt you can always add after. Good. Good. We had the black peppers. Abadaya seasoned salt. Make sure that seasoning is all throughout. I don't want to over season because what I'm going to use for the coating should be the taste that I want in my mouth. Pause. And we drop this all the way in. And we just use our finger to poke down into the milk. I put cover on. And I put in fridge so it marinate, soak up all juice, and it is going to be delicious tomorrow for the sandwich. The vlog, if you remember from yesterday's when I come back check it did dry, but this morning now I go check it, and if you don't see the light I glisten off it like a bit, the puddle is back, so I think I find the area where the leakage is. So I'm a mechanic now, you know. I think that is it. It looks like that is it, man. We crushing our chips. Gotta open your chips. You know what I'm saying? Open your chips, bro. Right? See, Nacho. I think that's the right kind of crush. I mean, it don't really look that much different. We're telling you the truth. This is one of the small bags, and it should work for the size chicken we have. Chicken breast. Go in with 1/4 cup of flour, and they honestly look like the Doritos. May even just be like 1/4 cup of 1/4 cup worth 2. So maybe 1/4 cup and a little bit more. That's all your Doritos right there. That's the way that will look like. Just a sprinkle and like a tiny bit of salt, tiny bit of black pepper, same way. What me want to taste more than anything is the Doritos. Alright, so chicken we have a marinade from, last night. And then we are going to go in a plain flour, right? So, in a plain flour, right? But they already cracked the egg, so just 1 egg into that. Now from the plain flour, I gotta come back to this. Already start farming like a flakes them. I'm effing up. I'm effing up. So into the egg. Do. Make as much of it drip off as possible. Into the crumbs. Try to make sure everywhere get it. We'll make that rest a little bit, you know. Right, so now we test the oil with the chopstick. You see like some bubbles that come up. Yeah. Yeah, the phone camera does not show you how beautiful this looks. I got flipping it now, you see it. Alright, make we go for a sky battery dead. First thing we are going in with is some mayo. All of them things are optional in there. You can't put no mayo on your sandwich if you want me. Hey, telling you the truth, I do not know if this mayonnaise is good. Both cameras are running. The one you got dead. You? Yeah. Boom, what we are going with? Want a better lettuce, brother. Hey. Doing all the extra stuff, my G. Beat the lettuce a little bit. Let's see. Beat it if you beat himself. Lettuce get beat up. Who beat up lettuce? I know me. Now we are going with some thinly sliced tomato. Alright, knife dull. A joke. The elements are against us, but that not stop us, you know. 3 thinly sliced. Boom. One thing for going on, you know. It's a chicken, man. But we are the chicken chunky and big. Not even one taste yet. Yeah, so you might go on. Same way you might go on. We have a 1 slice of cheese left. That style now. Cut it on a angle. Or rest Mr. Cheese, so. Blood stain. And we have to put on little Wayne. Because Wayne can't get left out of feature, brother. Pause. That man I can say, yo, I eat little Wayne now. And that is it. That is it. We just put on a little bit of ketchup. Not even too much, just a little bit. And then, on the top, on the hot top, just a little splack. Yes. Doritos, spicy Doritos, fried chicken sandwich. With bacon, with cheese, with plantain, lettuce, tomato. Blood stain. But when you're tall, people. When you're tall. Jeez. BK chicken sandwich get knock. Cause this is no regular. This is no regular. People, hopefully you not see me. Cause here what the good camera, the battery dead. As I said, the battery on the camera is old. I'm going to put it in charge, but the laptop must never open, so you never did that charge. Anyways, we are going. Not ruin this, you know. I probably can't go zoom up as much as me do want. But in the same start laugh when you know that buttermilk there, homemade, really getting our chicken. I mean I get the little crunch of the spicy nachos. You know, give me as much spice. But it definitely yeah tasty. And everything else, of course. Another one. I know say I can't zoom on it, but I try it, you know? You probably not even see it in a focus because the focus locked. But damn! This is good. You see the buttermilk, my mouth spray like water. That's how good it is. You see the buttermilk, it really gets in our chicken and the chicken juicy. The flavor is in there. Which is how the butter will fall off. If I had to do anything different, what would I do? I use more Doritos. It wouldn't get the first dip like in a flour. Even though that not really, it just make the batter thicker, but I wouldn't do that. I would just go from buttermilk to the Doritos and would I use more Doritos. People, guess what I have? I have some leftover sweet sauce, but it's cold. I put it on the same way. Ooh, just a jump off a spoon. My sweet sauce with the ginger and them thing there. Yo, this tastes nice, yo, frig. Like it clicking on my head a while ago. Damn. Oh, the sweet sauce? New level unlock. Holy. Even though I call it bad steam with you. And the hot sauce? Yeah. Yes. I have this in my... I'm gonna leave it for dinner. Hey, me feel bad say I'm not get for zooming up today. I'm think the battery are charged. Can't wait to get a new battery rasta. For the camera. Final bite. Yeah? Wow. Oh, you know hear that? The Doritos is a crunch all about. See a piece of chicken here. You know me like how this looking? You see what I go on this one? Definitely would I use more Doritos. The barbecue sauce, I hate, you know. Like a hot sauce here is like, whoa. Whoa there. The buttermilk, that's something I gotta do all of my chicken them from now. Whenever I fry chicken, buttermilk it. Chicken with the crunch on the outside of the Doritos, spicy Doritos. It's good enough, but you see with the ginger, garlic, barbecue sauce, new level unlocked. Another one. Yeah man, another one. I gotta say it again. If you can, try it. Cause I wanted fried chicken from a long time, people, but I just want to do a regular fried chicken sandwich. I had the spicy Nacho Doritos a couple months back, and just clicked them and say, yo, why not just like a spicy Dorito Nacho fried chicken sandwich? If you don't like chicken breast, a chicken breast we use. But if you want to use boneless thigh, or you want to buy one thigh, cut out the bone out of it, and you use that, whatever type of meat you do, I'll leave ribs. I know that can work for you, but anything you prefer, I'll leave neck. Whatever you prefer, you put it in there. I hide this a piece I know for dinner. Who me hide it from myself? Because I might need it. Cheers, no tears. Water me a drink. It don't if like them becks say they don't get no free pound. So dead, you don't feel dead.